Hey, buddy. Picasso, hi. Hi, mister.
He was up there for 2 days. He hadn't moved from that spot, and his poor little legs must have just been getting tired because his back leg was shaking.
Can I come up and help you? Picasso.
He was probably at like 50 feet, maybe 50 or 60 feet.
I want to come up and help you, buddy.
I spend extra time with him, talking to him and trying to approach him in a way that doesn't feel threatening to them.
I know. Hi, mister. Hey, Picasso. Hi, I know. I want to help you. Sweetie. Picasso, hi, they just want you down.
Owners were there watching with a lot of angst because they love their Picasso and wanted him down safely.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Picasso. Hey, it's okay. I know. Hi, mister. Did you get rained on? Oh, I'm sorry. You're okay. I know, Mud Buddy. Kitty, kitty boy. I know, you're okay. I want to help you.
As soon as he saw me getting close to him, I think he felt relieved. He repositioned a little bit.
Hi. Hey, buddy.
As soon as I touched him and gave him some very gentle, soft pets, he knew I was there to help.
I know. He seems like be okay. I'm gonna go up a little bit closer to him.
From that point on, it was just a matter of me getting in the right position to be able to pick him up effectively and turn him around and hold him for a second before I put him in the net.
I know, big boy. Hi.
The tensest moment in the whole cat rescue is I have to make the decision about when is the best time to get the cat.
You're a good boy. I know, mister.
One of the best parts about, and when I rescued Picasso, once I got him in my arms and I realized he wasn't, going to try to get away from me, that made me feel really good.
You're a good boy.
And Picasso, he immediately kind of relaxed. I could tell he was so happy to be in my arms. And off those branches, it felt really good to have him in my arms.
Sorry, buddy. It's just so you can go down. Hey, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You can come over here. Let me just get him on hook for a second. Yeah, he doesn't seem too happy about this, so I don't know. Definitely check him out, Look him over. Here you go. So hold him underneath like you normally would, and then, yeah, there you go. Just try that with you. take him inside.
All right, I will do that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I felt really good giving Picasso back to his owners, somebody's family get reunited. There's no price on that.